Hello, in this video I want to show you how to record the screen on Microsoft Surface Pro 8. And to do this, open any app, then click and pop up the keyboard. On screen keyboard you can also use the external keyboard if you have one. And to add the touch keyboard you'll need to click on a taskbar and hold it. Open taskbar settings and here add the touch keyboard. So now again open a keyboard, click on Windows and G. Here you can select the pause or any of these buttons. That's a screenshot, that's a replay button, and that's the screen recording. Now the screen, after pressing on this button, the screen recording will start. And you'll have this pop-up right here. Now you can navigate through that app however you want. And to save the recording or mute the microphone, click on any of these buttons. That's a microphone, and that's the stop button. When you press it, the saving should be sent to your recordings gallery. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.